Have you recently installed a Reliabilt electronic deadbolt, and now you're wondering how to change the programming code? Or maybe you just need to update it for security reasons. You're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the super easy steps to change the programming code on your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt, ensuring your home stays secure and your access is always under your control. Let's dive right in. Section 1. What you'll need and important pre-checks. Before we get started, make sure you have your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt user manual handy if possible, though it's not strictly necessary for this guide. Also, ensure your lock has fresh batteries. A low battery can sometimes cause unexpected issues during programming. For Reliabilt electronic deadbolts, you'll typically be looking for the interior side of the lock. Section 2. Entering programming mode. The first crucial step is to get your Reliabilt deadbolt into programming mode. This is usually done by pressing a specific button on the interior side of the lock. For most Reliabilt models, you'll open the battery cover on the interior assembly. Look for a small program or ESET button. This button is often red or clearly labeled. Step 1. Locate the battery cover on the interior side of your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt. Step 2. Remove the battery cover. Step 3. Identify the program or set button. Press and release this button. Step 4. You should hear a beep or see the keypad illuminate, indicating that the lock is now in programming mode. Section 3. Changing the programming code. Now that your Reliabilt deadbolt is in programming mode, it's time to enter your new programming code. Remember, the programming code is different from your user entry codes. This code gives you access to change settings, so keep it secure. Step 1. After pressing the program button, enter your new 4 to 8-digit programming code on the exterior keypad. Choose a strong, memorable code that isn't easily guessed. Step 2. Press the lock button, or a dedicated program button again, depending on your specific Reliabilt model, to confirm the new programming code. Step 3. You should hear a series of beeps, or the lock will flash green, indicating that the new programming code has been successfully accepted. If you hear multiple short beeps or a red flash, it might mean the code was not accepted, and you'll need to repeat the process. Section 4. Testing your new programming code. It's always a good idea to test your new programming code immediately to ensure it works correctly. Step 1. Exit programming mode. This usually happens automatically after a short period, or you can press the lock button a few times. Step 2. Try to re-enter programming mode using your new programming code. Press the program button on the interior, then enter your new programming code, and then press the lock button. Step 3. If the lock responds by beeping or flashing as it did when you initially entered programming mode, congratulations, your new programming code is active. Special tips and FAQs for Reliabilt electronic deadbolts. Tip 1. Write it down. Always write down your new programming code and keep it in a safe, memorable place. Tip 2. Factory reset. If you ever forget your programming code and cannot access the lock settings, most Reliabilt deadbolts have a factory reset option. This usually involves holding down the program button for an extended period or removing and reinserting batteries in a specific sequence. Consult your manual for exact steps. Tip 3. User codes versus programming code. Remember, the programming code allows you to change settings, while user codes are what you and others use to unlock the door. You'll typically enter programming mode first before adding or deleting user codes. FAQ. What if the lock doesn't respond to the program button? Check your batteries. Low batteries are the most common culprit. Also, ensure you are pressing the correct button. And there you have it. Changing the programming code on your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt is a straightforward process that keeps your home security up to date. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and electronic lock tutorials.